Good morning, Jolene. Some of you have been asking about where exactly in relation to the parents' house and all of that is our house. So I'm standing here, I'm actually standing in my grandmother's driveway, but I wanted to show you. So here's Mom and Dad's house right here. And then behind me, down here is my grandmother's house. So they're right there, and then the farmhouse that we're working on is right there. So as you can see, they're all just a few hundred yards from one another. And then the county road that we live on is right there. So that's it, just there, there, and there. And I can stand right here and I'm within about 100 yards. Well, the farmhouse is maybe 150 yards over that way, but not very far at all. So my grandmother lives right there. All of the grandkids and great grandkids call her Ma. So when you hear me talk about Ma, I'm talking about my grandmother, and she's 80 something, but she's still in pretty good shape, and she still gets out and works in the garden and different things. So I'm glad to be here near her, and that's been a really cool experience. So hope she can last a little while longer, and we're able to spend some more time with her. Jolene is living at Ma's house, but she heard me talking up here and she was coming to meet me, but she got perilously close to Socks and Banjo's invisible fence, and now we're having sort of a standoff here. Jolene, Socks and Banjo, Jolene. Now she doesn't seem too worried. She knows exactly where their barrier is, their invisible fence, and they do too. So they're going to stand there and look at her, and she's just going to kind of waller around in the gravel there, and I think she's teasing them a little bit, really. Jolene, are you teasing the dogs? Huh? See, she's walking down here, and Socks is he's still standing there watching her. And now the chickens have heard me, and they're starting in. Everybody wants something this morning. All right, are you ready for some petting, Jolene? Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Has anybody laid an egg overnight? Let's see. What? No eggs? What's the deal, guys? Where's my eggs? I've been feeding you guys for a long time. I need some eggs. It's time. You guys are over 6 months old. Time to start laying. I know it's hot, but it's time to put some eggs in the bucket. You hear me? Yeah, you hear me. How are you young'uns today? Huh? You guys doing good? Y'all want a little bit of food this morning? Eat some breakfast? Kitchen cabinets are happening.
Maybe.
Looking good, man.
Put your pots and pans.
Yeah. The Lazy Susan is in place. The sink base is in place. Good deal. We're going to have a kitchen.
All we're going to have in place.
Yeah.
Sort of all we have.
Before you know it, we're going to have a kitchen.
Yeah, I think we have actually a working kitchen.
The corner cabinet
this week
is up. I like the white. It looks good.
It's not done yet, but I thought
You're going to put another coat on it?
I thought I'd skin them up while I'm...
Yeah, we can touch them up. Looking at my... it's getting dry. Oh, you've already... Did you come back over that with another coat or just scrape that off? Oh, did he do that yesterday?
I put it in Landon's bedroom.
Okay. That's looking pretty good. And you can see Vivian's artwork. Very nice. Oh, she cut a door. Somebody cut a door in her fort for her. This is a pink fort, apparently. The floor is down in the master bedroom, and it looks good. It's funny how the color changes when you turn the lights on. The floor is looking really good. Very nice. And the walls. Watch when I turn the light off. It looks like the color changes on the wall. Turn it back on.
We believe it does.
Turn it off. I think it's an interesting. Bedroom number 2 is coming along. It'll be ready to get in here and put some texture on it before too long. So there's the kitchen. Sink.
Kohler.
Dishwasher. It's a Kohler.
Brand name, man.
How much did you give for this?
I give
$200?
$2.
$2. $2 for what do you think this would be new in the store? A cast iron sink like this? $800.
Yeah.
So we saved $798 on the sink.
Yeah.
We would have never been able to afford.
But we have to clean this.
Well, we've got to clean it, but yeah, this nice cast iron sink.
Yeah, nobody wanted it. My guess is they had stainless appliances, had that stainless sink, pulled out quality merchandise, and then the old builder went, man, that's heavy, just throw it up at Tommy's.
Man, I'd rather have that one than one of those old stainless steel ones.
Man, that's nice.
That's nice. Well, the appliances are not going to match necessarily, but that's okay. We'll
put the stainless steel one in. It match your dishwasher.
Yeah, no, I'd rather have that sink.
It's a nice sink.
And a nice sink and a nice dishwasher, and they don't match, and that's okay. Cabinet there is going to be nice, so we can get the stove in and that little corner cabinet and the microwave. It's going to be a kitchen. Yeah, as soon as we get these walls done, we can bring the fridge over and set the stove in there.
Yes, you know, I've been barking about getting these walls done, and that's the reason why.
Hey guys, just finished up my my afternoon run on the bus. It's about 10 after 4. We had a big thunderstorm come through right as school was getting out, and I hate to drive in the rain, but in this instance I was glad for it because it's just been so hot, and I have a full bus and cramming all these kids on this basically big tin can, and it's miserably hot, and so the rain was a relief, and we needed it. We needed the rain badly, so I'm really glad that it came. I wish it hadn't have been quite so severe or rained so hard and gotten everybody wet, but we'll take it. We'll take the rain. Sorry I haven't posted in a few days. I'll try to post more often, but with school starting back, it's been really busy, and we'll get in a routine and a groove, and I'll try to post at least 2 or 3 times a week. Tonight's Wednesday night, so gonna go in the house, get cleaned up, and we've got Bible study at church tonight. So thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please subscribe so that you don't miss any more videos that I'm going to put out in the future. Just the little subscribe button down below the video, or there may be one on the screen somewhere, and hit subscribe, hit the little bell that notifies you when there's a new video. And until next time,